Right, we are being slammed with snow and we are getting slammed with cold air. For more, let's go over to our Kwon So-ah at the Weather Center who's been tracking it all for us. So tell us the latest about the snow we are having today.
Sure, Jie, and good evening, everyone. Now, it's still snowing here and there across the nation, as you can see by the snow clouds here on our satellite map, including here in the capital, Seoul, where it seemed to have come to a stop earlier in the evening. It actually has gotten even stronger in some regions, but the precipitation is expected to gradually let up as the night progresses. However, around the west coast regions of Chungcheong province, there will be a lot of more snow piling up throughout the night. Now, after all the snow lets up, temperatures are going to plunge a lot. Now, not only tomorrow, but also on Sunday, when the nation's capital expects a low of minus 13 degrees. So prepare yourselves for that. Now, as for Saturday's readings, that is, the capital Seoul plunges to negative 11 degrees and will just hit minus 6 later in the day. Daegu and Gwangju start off at minus 4 and make it to 1 and 2 respectively, and Busan stays in the positives. And let's move over to Daejeon, which will be freezing, ranging from minus 9 to minus 2 degrees. Jeju Island also drops a couple of degrees compared to today. Namwan Kumgang will be extremely cold throughout the whole day. Now, for those watching from other parts of the world, here's the international weather. Let's begin in Japan, where a 7.3 earthquake hit the northeastern regions earlier this evening. Now, following that, a 1-meter tsunami hit near Miyagi Prefecture, but now the earlier tsunami warning has been lifted. Now, as for Saturday's weather, Tokyo will be pretty mild, sunny, but windy. Beijing, sunny and windy too, however, very, very cold. And get ready for a round of afternoon thunderstorms in Manila. Similar for Port Moresby and Jakarta, but only a few isolated ones in Kuala Lumpur. It's warming up down in Australia, with Perth and Sydney hitting 28 degrees, Melbourne even 32. Wellington in New Zealand is going to be on the cool side, but has gorgeous sunshine in store. Over North America, it seems like Vancouver is going to be spared from the rain on Saturday, with just a fair amount of clouds swifting along. Montreal has a mix of rain and snow in the picture. New York should get a few rain showers. Enjoy a surprisingly mild day in Washington, D.C., which will surge to 20 degrees. Now, scorching hot conditions await you in much of South America, especially in Rio de Janeiro and Santiago. Sao Paulo cools off slightly with a round of afternoon thunderstorms. And taking it to Europe, it'll snow in Moscow again, with fairly steady temperatures in the negatives. Even colder in Berlin throughout the weekend. Paris, which wasn't too bad, also drops a lot, and same goes for Rome, which may also get a little wet during the morning. And moving to the African continent, where you'll probably get some light rain in Algiers, but nothing but sunshine in all other spots on our map. Now, temperatures shouldn't be too hot. Now, for more weather updates, I'll be back here after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, So-ah. And that's all the news we are following at the South.